What's going on, guys? Justin Woll here from Beyondsixfigures, and what I want to talk about today is actually finding a proven method and proven process to make your e-commerce business a success. When you're finding a system that is actually proven, guys, you want to see how many people have actually been successful by using it. When I go out there and I find people who are not having success in e-com, I realize they are using outdated methods and outdated tactics. Things that used to work in 2016, 2017, but no longer correlate to 2018. What you guys need is a timeless system and a timeless process enabling you to go out there and differentiate winning products, how to get the targeting, and how to actually scale the ads that are currently working. For example, what's working now, guys, is product research using Amazon. Okay, I use Amazon to find a lot of my products, and I encourage my students to do that as well. We also use a few other third-party applications that all are included within my offerings. Now, with that being said, guys, I also notice people are being very, very inconsistent with their consistency. What I mean by this, people will go out there and test a process for maybe 2, 3, 4 days, or maybe 3, 4, 5 products, right? That's not enough to actually get the statistical results that you'll need to see if the product's actually going to sell or if the system works. You need to be going out there and being consistent every single day with your product research, as well as your targeting and the whole flow of e-commerce in general. You need to be very consistent and go out there every single day and carry out the tasks that you need to actually be successful. Because guys, success won't happen unless you're consistent. Mark my words, consistency is the path to success. You don't even have to be really good at something starting off. You can start off, average, but consistency over and over again will make you absolutely better at it. This is something that I learned when I was first starting e-com, because everyone starts somewhere, guys, including myself. I initially started off with no sales, didn't know what I was doing, then I started learning from a lot of different people, started implementing myself and being consistent. And the consistency is what got me to the next level. I see too many people who only test like 3, 4 products and expect to be a millionaire. That's not how the game works, guys. The game is being consistent and knowing what you're doing and using a proven process to go out there and ensure your success. Because with consistency, guys, comes time and time again, success. Another thing that I realized, guys, is when you're actually using a proven process, you will statistically save more money and make more money, whether it be short-term or long-term. Guys, when you use a proven process, the only thing holding you back from actually being successful is the statistics. Okay, with that being said, guys, people are going out there making up their own methods and trying to follow processes that don't really work. It's kind of like a randomized process. And using randomized processes aren't going to be able to make you successful because it's going to be basically like you're throwing it at the wall and hoping it sticks. That's not how you be successful. It's all about actually choosing a systematic process to follow and going out there and implementing that single process. For example, guys, I offer the Beyondsixfigures an entire product research system. And this system is literally going to teach you how to go through everything from start to finish to validate your product. That's about it for me, guys. Justin Woll, and I'll talk to you soon.